Hi everybody. I'm going to do a plastic wrap pour, but I've got two canvases because I am going to transfer what is on the plastic wrap to the second canvas and see what happens. Because the plastic wrap is always so pretty that I hate throwing it away, so I'm going to see if I can make another painting from it. So we'll see what happens. These are 6 by 6 inch canvases. And what I'm pouring on right now is, it's house paint. I use Dutch Boy latex house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. I don't measure, but I do have a mixing playlist so that you can see the consistency. I did do one with measurements once, and that was kind of a cluster mess because I got confused because I don't measure, and it just didn't turn out well. So measuring for me is just not in the cards. I just pour in a jug. I probably pour, I don't even know. I was going to try and say like approximately half this, half that, but I'm not even going to guesstimate. And all my pours turn out, so whether I have more Floetrol versus water in a pour doesn't really matter too much, so there must be quite a large window of error because I've never had a problem. Pop the air bubbles. I hate this torch. I'm getting my big guns. The big guns. Alright. And I can see there's something there. Something there. And the paint didn't fully cover this side. So I'll touch it up. And the only silicone that I use is at the very end. And I use Spot On Treadmill silicone, but only at the end. So I've got my pipettes. And I'm making dots. Not too many, because this is a 6 by 6 inch canvas. Oops, I'm getting a little crazy with the red. Now I've got iridescent deep violet. And phthalo blue. All right. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the white. That would have been silly. The white has the silicone. I need it. And I put it on the edges so that the edges kind of bleed out. All right, now for the plastic wrap. Ooh, that got kind of a swirly effect. I obviously did not lift it up straight whatsoever. That's kind of cool how it goes. And that's pretty. I think I'm gonna do, I think I may get some down here too. I like, because this way I went, the first time I went that way, and second time I went up and down. So it's got a variety. I'm loving this. Love, love, loving it. Ooh, it looked better before torching. Now I wonder why that happened. Too much white, I think, maybe. Because that's never happened before. It's not quite as gorgeous. Still really pretty. I wonder if I did... Huh. Now I just wonder what would happen if I were to do this. At this point, if I don't like it, I'll just wipe it off. Now let's redo this one. And I am not. God, it needs some torching. Maybe I'll use my... Alright, the little one's totally dead. There's so many air bubbles in this. So torch from far away, that's the key. So having a second canvas is a great idea, or having, you know what would be great is like blank gift cards. You can make your own gift cards. That would be really pretty. Looks good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.